Hey, Emeko Sai here, and I want to give you 10 tips on what it takes to make your first $1,000 online with Kindle publishing. All right, tip number 5, getting your cover designed. Now, number 1 rule when it comes to getting your cover designed, never do it yourself, ever. If you want your book to sell, don't make your cover yourself. Invest $5 or $10. Head over to Fiverr, invest $5 or $10, and hire a professional, somebody who's going to get you a professional-looking cover that's going to actually get you sales. People judge a book by its cover. They will not buy your book if your cover is not attractive. So make sure you get the best-looking cover you can possibly afford. Hey, so if you want more great tips like this, be sure to check out my free book, The Self-Publishing Blueprint. It's free. I've printed about 500 of these, so get them while you can. Just cover the shipping, and if you're outside of the States, well, you can get the ebook version as well. Both links are going to be down in the description, so go check those out. Till next time, everyone, I hope to help you hit your first $1,000 online with Kindle publishing.